And I don't want you guys to think I forgot what day it is. So first thing this morning, went to the supply house, picked up the parts we needed from last night's boiler that we couldn't get up and running. So we got our expansion tank and our pump. I'm still blown away that they had one of these in stock. Only one, seems like it was meant to be. It's a pretty slow day today. It's also snowing out. Just a light flurry. The guy's like a block away. It's an Allen key. I think this one's riveted in. Guess it's still got water in it. I know what it is. There was a vacuum inside. We broke the vacuum barrier. Still have a little bit of water left. I'm gonna open this in the meantime. Jeez, I didn't even realize it held that much water.
It had that low on it?
Yeah.
And I said, okay, maybe my...
I'm gonna try it without replacing the pump first. Maybe it's okay. Just gonna go nice and slow. There we go. All right, we're up to pressure. We're not leaking. Just gotta purge it out and then see if that circulator pump's got any life to it. Moment of truth.
We did it for years. Cut this heat on those stove, but you know that, right?
It was staring me in the face the entire time. Why'd they shut this off? Look at that. It's running now. Just gonna give the circulator pump a couple minutes to circulate, and then looks like we'll be good to go. Caution, pipes may be hot. I think it's safe to say we're heating. Go ahead, say it. Say it. I'll give you this one. I'm an idiot. I almost don't even want to tell you how long I was checking that out. I don't understand why that switch was off. Either way, we're up and running. I think it's like 1:30. I gotta go look at some remote sensors, probably just dead batteries, which is easy. Wasn't that a painful lesson to watch? It's not always the big things that are gonna screw you up. Sometimes it's those tiny little details that you're just too smart to overlook. I was torn between traveling heavy or light for this service call, so naturally I chose nothing. Well, except for my headlight, because that's basically a part of it. Except for when I forget to charge it or lose it in the back of my truck for 2 weeks. Okay. Well, that's not good. That shouldn't be touching. boiler's running. So is the circulator pump. It's hot. Baseboard is hot too. Actually, it's kind of warm. Try to see. All right, looks like I need my service bag and the rollout switch too. If I can find the rollout switch. I just witnessed like the most obvious. How does that happen? I just witnessed the most obvious drug deal in the world right now. So between replacing the rollout switch and I bumped up the temperature on the aquastat, it was set to like 160. So I bumped it up to 185 in that range. And after that, thermostat turned it on and off at least a dozen times, ran every time. The only other thing they could do if they're having problems with the heat would be move the couches, the beds, the desks, the refrigerator away from the baseboard and keep the tops open to let, you know, the heat come out. Other than that, that's my story and I'm sticking with it. I think the boiler room was right here. System. Use T-stat for temperature control? No. Use indoor sensor for temperature control? Yes. Use Office 1 as temperature average? Yes. It's hot. Seems pretty connected to me. Yeah, I guess we could do the third floor too. Funny, they got my handwriting on them, but I don't remember installing them in the hallway. I remember putting them in the apartments. See? Sensor 1, apartment 4, sensor 2, apartment 7. Totally just tripped up the steps right now. Okay, thanks.
Okay, thank you.
All right, bye. Everything is all good. Love those service calls. When you show up and nothing, everyone was just kind of overreacting. It's a good way to kill like half hour maybe, because now it's 4 o'clock. Oh, and I don't want you guys to think I forgot what day it is. Today is December 7th, also known as Pearl Harbor Day. So for all of the veterans and even possible service members that might be watching, thank you for your service. Especially my buddy Joe, because I know he's watching. I'll catch you in the next.